Hello everyone, and welcome to English for Fun with teacher Alice. And today let's learn lunch vocabulary. What have you got for lunch today? Let's start. What shall I have for lunch today? Shall I have pizza? No. Shall I have hamburger? No. Shall I have fish and chips? No. Shall I have chicken rice? No. Shall I have salad? No. Shall I have chicken? No, I don't want. Shall I have hot dog? No. Shall I have steak? No. Shall I have noodles? No. Shall I have sandwiches? No. Shall I have fish and roasted vegetables? Yes, I'm going to have fish and roasted vegetables. Yummy. Let's review the vocabulary. Pizza, pizza, pizza. Hamburger, hamburger, hamburger. Fish and chips, fish and chips, fish and chips. Chicken rice, chicken rice, chicken rice. Salad, salad, salad. Roasted chicken, roasted chicken, roasted chicken. Hot dog, hot dog, hot dog. Steak, steak, steak. Noodles, noodles, noodles. Sandwiches, sandwiches, sandwiches. Fish, fish, fish. Roasted vegetables, roasted vegetables, roasted vegetables. I hope you will enjoy the video, and if you want to keep on learning and having fun with us, click like, subscribe, and keep on watching. See you next time. Bye bye.